to sa Philippine television na makita ko ang dalawa sa pinaka-icon ng Philippine showbiz, Mark Anthony and Claudine. Guys, am I like, throwback ba to? Ni-rewind ba tayo sa panahon? Surreal seeing you together in one frame.
I guess also because we're a fan of yours, MJ. We're doing this for you also.
No! Baliktad to.
Anytime para sa'yo.
Naku, Miss Clau, kamusta? Ano yung sabi ko kanina kung ang Hollywood may Lindsay Lohan, may Claudine Barreto kami.
Wow, thank you, thank you.
Okay, what have you been doing and up to? You look so good.
Now I'm working again and wala lang, syempre sa bahay lang, usually taking care of the kids. I have
Apat na.
Apat na. Yung dalawa malaki na college na. Tapos last year ni Santino sa Brent. And then, punta na siyang Japan. And then I have Kea, who's 10. And I have Noah, who's 6.
Wow, ba't naman mag-Japan si Santino?
Doon siya mag-aaral.
Oh, namana sa'yo ang brain cells?
Yes!
Oo, claim
Thank
it, di ba? The
Thank
mom.
God. Yes,
I
the
love
mom.
it.
Yes.
Yeah, but ang lalaki na rin nila. Nagulat ako, lumaki ng pamilya, 4 na yung kids.
Yes, 4 na.
Oh, wow. Anong hilig ng dalawa?
Santino plays volleyball. Varsity siya ng Brent. And si Sabina is, of course, a scholar in UP.
Wow, I know. Wow.
Taking up psychology.
Parang sa kabila ng lahat ng challenges na pinagdaanan mo all your life, sobrang blessed ka sa kids.
Yes.
No?
Ay, thank God naman. Sabi siguro ni God, naawa na ako dito. Sige, yung mga anak niya, magiging matino.
Grabe. Grabe naman. No, but now you're back with a bang. This is one of the, kumbaga, this is the book 2 of Totoy Bato.
Yes.
And what made you say yes?
First of all, I'm a fan of Totoy Bato. And I really like Kiko Estrada.
Yeah.
I think talagang magiging malaking haligi siya ng industriya balang araw. And yung makasama ko si Miss Yula Valdez, Jano, this is Sir Jano Gibbs first time. And of course, makasama ko ang first love ko.
Yes! Wait, anong conversations nyo pag gano'n? Kasi nga first love, di ba? Pero balik tanaw ba? Picking up where you left off?
We're just having good repertoire, and good disposition as and trying to give cheese.
Yes.
Because we love you, MJ.
Well, thank you.
May gusto yata sa MJ.
Okay,
I mean,
pero
MJ also.
oo, thank you so much. Pero Miss Clau, ayun na nga, no? Parang, like, how is it working with, nag-eksena na ba kayo o test shoot?
Yes.
Pero
Pero
so meron na.
Pero sa malayo pa.
Okay.
Hindi pa talaga yung ganito na nag-uusap talaga.
How is it working with Mark Anthony on screen again?
Alam mo, with Mark kasi, even if, we broke up na hindi okay, parang pag nagkita kami, parang wala na lahat. Kasi he's always, like I've always said, he's never really, of course, syempre, nasaktan ako syempre, nasaktan kami pareho. Pero walang bitterness pagdating kay Mark. He's really a wonderful person. He really is, inside and out. So, ako talaga, I stand by that. Kasi some people say na parang it's so hard to be friends with your ex. But if your ex is Mark Anthony, it's not. It's not talaga.
But I know, wait lang, iba na rin apelido mo ngayon. Diba? Yan ka na.
No, yun lang ang gusto ko lang i-clear. Hindi ko sinabi na ako si Claudine Barreto yan. Hindi ko na natapon ko na ang Barreto. Of course not. It's not like that. Like what I said, it's not about Rico anymore. It's about Tita Sita and I having a relationship talaga and the family. And ngayon, I can say that I am Sita Yan's daughter.
Oh, but
So,
that's figuratively, hindi on paper.
Yes,
Oo.
yes. Or gagamitin ko
Correct,
na yun.
correct,
Oo,
correct.
Hindi ko inaabando na ang pangalan ng Barreto.
Siyempre, mahirap
Of
yun sa mga yaman mo,
course.
no? Di ba? Mahirap kaya magpalit ng pangalan.
No. It's ano lang talaga, what once was forgiveness, I didn't ever think would turn into a family.
Wow. And I'm sorry for your loss. Recently, you lost your brother.
Yes.
How are you? How's your family?
Not good. I think more than losing our dad, ito yung
Biglaan.
biglaan. 66 years old. Lahat kami sa Barreto and sa Castelo side talagang, and sa Alvier side, mahahaba ang buhay. So, for someone who doesn't smoke, walang bisyo, very healthy, he works out, he eats well, he drinks occasionally. It really is a big test.
Was it stress? Or-
Yeah, maybe stress na hindi niya pinapakita sa amin, because he lives a very good life. You know, we're so blessed to have a wonderful sister-in-law, and my nephew si Mark and John are just Mark at si John. They're wonderful boys. So wala akong makitang stress. Siguro talagang panahon ng oras lang.
Grabe. And iba rin pagkapatid. You had to see your siblings. I know, there's like a story behind that.
Yes,
How did
yes.
you talk about helping, syempre, the family? I know, hindi lahat kayo, like, on and off in speaking terms.
Yes.
How did you, manage to talk?
You know, when my brother died, I don't know. I hope na hindi sabihin ng pamilya ko na ito na naman, nagkukwento ako. Pero siguro it's nice to share some good parts naman sa yung nangyari sa kuya ko. I think softened our hearts. We're not okay, but yung pagiging civil and yung respeto nandun. And I realized na life is really short. Kasi nga,
Yes.
nag-away kami bago
Oh.
mangyari to.
Yes.
Na muntik
I
na
do remember,
na
yes.
muntik nang talaga sa demandahan. And he really swallowed this pride, and he told me na parang he's an alpha male talaga. So, yung sorry sa kanya is not easy. So, for him to say, then I'm so sorry. And his exact words were like, I'm really sorry, and that the devil is trying to destroy us. And I hope you can forgive me. That was not me. I don't know what came into me,
Oh, wow.
sabi niya. And life is so short. And my sister-in-law was in the hospital during that time. And he said, I'm so scared. He was crying and he said, I'm so scared for Connie, my sister-in-law. Because she's in the hospital, labas-pasok ng hospital. So, right away, nung magsasorry pa lang yung kuya ko, inunahan ko na kasi alam kong alpha male eh. So sabi ko, Mitz, I'm sorry. Tapos sabi, no, I'm sorry. Tapos sabi ko, if there's anyone na whose approval na talagang,
I'm sorry. Yeah. This is just
whose
friends.
approval na talagang, hinihingi ko talaga was for my brother sa lahat. I always wanted him to be proud of me, kaya nasaktan
he
ako ng
is.
sobra. So, and then he said, what are you talking about? I'm always proud of you. And for the next, every Sunday, he'd text me, I'm sorry, and I'm so proud of you.
This was 1 month before his passing?
No, 4 months.
4 months before
4
his
months.
passing.
Yeah, so I'm just so thankful sa nephew ko si Mark, because inayos na kami. Kung hindi niya kami naayos, hindi ko mapapatawad yung sarili ko. So, I
You talk to the
realized,
kids now?
oh yeah.
Yeah.
Wala kami problema ng mga
And Connie?
pamangkin ko. Every single day.
Oh, wow.
I swore talaga sa kuya ko, sabi ko, I'm gonna take care of Connie, Mark, and John, and yung mga apo namin. And it's such a big loss for my mom because she's 88, she's 89. So, you don't outlive your children. So, ang sakit sa kanya na parang 89. I'm not supposed to be here anymore. And yet, I see my son, who's 66 only. Namatay yung lola ko, 90 plus, both
Yeah.
sides. I mean, my dad, yung pinakamaaga namatay, he was turning 83.
And that's still in his 80s?
Yes. So, sa Barreto, parang si Mito pa lang yung maaga.
I'm sorry to hear that, but buti nagka-reconciliation kayo.
Yeah. So, ayun, when, so, regarding sa sisters ko, ako, with all sincerity, sabi ko nga, sa ate ko kay Marjorie, pinapaalam ko sa kanya, na kasi syempre that was not the time to talk talaga. Na, if I hurt her in any way, for the things that I did or the things that she thinks I did, sige na lang. Okay na rin lang. I will be accountable for it.
Wow.
Mapatawad niya lang ako balang araw.
And how are you supporting Gretchen now?
She knows that I call every week, twice a week. I check on her. And she's very, very strong. And she's talagang with the Lord. Talagang very at peace now. And I will not give up on her. I'm never gonna give up on my sister.
Thank you for the update. I do hope na mas smooth sailing pa everything. And this is a blessing. Like,
This is a blessing,
work is always a blessing.
Yeah, because kung nasa bahay lang ako, baka maloka na ako
Oo,
talaga.
I mean, tsaka tumalaki na nga yung mga anak mo, may
Yes.
dalawa ka. Buti may dalawa ka pang maliit.
Buti may madalaw pa ako.
And then, the alpha female character.
Yes.
Yun ba yung character mo dito sa
Yes.
Totoy Bato?
Yes, yeah.
Can we share already? Or
Yes,
like,
yes,
what's
yes.
gonna be your character here?
Gabale, I'm going to be I'm the sister of Totoy Bato's mother. Passed away, and ang pinanamis ko na poprotektahan ko at paglalaban ko yung pamangkin ko.
Wow. Wow.
Very true to life.
Yan nga. Kasi, wow, hindi nalalayo.
Gregorio silang ibang version.
Buti hindi naiyak si Mark. I was like, iiyak na sana. I was like, I'm so
Iyakin ko
sorry.
naman to.
Oh,
I
I'm
thought
so
she was
sorry. Thank you.
Gonna faint.
I thought she was gonna faint.
I was like, oh my God, I'm so sorry. Kakabo sila sa, no, but it has been a while. Kaya, I know. Grabe.
Grabe.
I know.
Talag- ay,
Is Attorney Joe Pasos still your legal counsel?
No,
Who's your
no.
legal counsel now?
He can't be my legal counsel because he's my best friend. So it's
Oo,
conflict of interest.
correct.
Kapag ka mayroong manakit sa akin, si Attorney Topacio
Correct.
is,
Oo.
alam mo yung ready to.
At least nalaman
Ready
mo na
to
when you,
gulo talaga.
you got another legal counsel.
Yes,
Who's your legal counsel now?
Attorney Joe Magsalin.
Okay. Thank
Yes.
you. Kulitin ko na.
Jojo
Thank you.
Magsalin.